What's up everyone, welcome back to this channel. So I will show you how to change the oil of your car. So yeah, let's get to it. Okay, first take the oil checker, or I have no idea what it's called, but yeah, take it out. Then this cap where you put the oil in. So you will need a wrench, but a extension too, but make sure the size of the car is correct. For this car, Honda Accord 2003 is 17. Okay, so under the car, there's the drain plug. So you have to take this thing out, maybe with a wrench. The 17 for this Honda Accord 2003. And there's a tank right there. So that's the drain plug. So make sure you put that oil thing, the drainer, in in the bottom of this plug, because the oil will come out. And yeah, so you use a wrench, and then if you want to, you can use a finger now. But yeah, just put this oil thing right there. Now the oil is going to come out, and that's like black oil, so it's bad for the car. So yeah, just wait like about maybe 30 minutes or maybe 25 minutes so it can drain. After that, I will show you this oil filter. So I will put a picture like somewhere in the screen, like right now, of the oil filter where you can find it, but it will be pretty hard to take it out, but it's right there. It's this black cylinder tube something. So you can take the filter off like with your hands. So sometimes it can get hard to find this, but I mean, not to find it, to take it out, but yeah, you will learn one day or 2 day. But there's the oil filter, the old one. Okay, now with the new oil, I mean filter, you have to put oil on top everywhere. Not everywhere, but just here. Okay, then you clean the drain plug. Make sure all the oil is drained, like even in the filter. For the oil filter, you have to look in the internet what kind of oil filter you use, even the filter too. For your car, for this Honda Accord, we're using one type of filter, not like a different one. So you can ask somebody or look at the internet. But put the oil filter back in the car in the same place where was the other oil filter, the old one. Okay, after that you get this thing so it doesn't spill, and you put the oil and check the right oil in the store, because you could get the wrong oil and it could be very bad thing could happen. But just put the oil, don't let it like flood everywhere, but yeah, that's how you put the oil. Some car oil may be different, but just check in the store or on the internet. Like, if you want to, you can comment down below which car you have, and I will try to search what kind of oil maybe. I will try to help, but have no idea. But if you want, comment down below. Okay, then put everything back in place, this oil stick, and before putting everything back, check the oil stick to see if the oil level is good. So we put the whole bottle, but well, it's the whole bottle, so nothing happened. It's good level. So this is how you change the oil of the car. So if you like this video, like it, subscribe, and thanks for watching. Be safe.